Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to fix Snapchat camera zoomed in. Now if you have problems with your camera zoomed in like that, then you are in the right place. So let's go back to our home screen here. We can go on the Snapchat, tap and hold the Snapchat app. And as you can see in the right upper corner, you will have information icon, which is eye. And then you can click on that eye here. And then here, what you will do is you will go to your permissions. Then what you will do is you will click on camera, and then on camera, make sure that you allow only while using the app, right? So make sure to use that, and you can also allow other permissions if you go back here. So if you go back here, we can allow contacts, files, and media, microphones, so you don't have any errors while using Snapchat. So let's go back to Snapchat here. So you can go back to Snapchat, and then as you can see here, now you can zoom in, zoom out, obviously like that, right? And you will be able to use your camera fully. And yeah, this will fix Snapchat camera zoomed in. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll help you out. And leave a like on this video if this video helped you out. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.